let's look at where AI is already working. To see its full impact, we will examine 4 main directions across the food production chain, spanning everything from field diagnostics to livestock management. The 4 main directions of AI in agriculture are the following: crop production, farm automation and robotics, post-harvest work and supply chains, as well as livestock and agricultural intelligence. So let's consider each of these directions in more details. In crop production and field optimizations, we are speaking about the topics from soil preparation to crop growth. It's all about precision input management such as smart irrigation, targeted spraying, variable rate fertilization, as well as crop monitoring using drones, satellites and sensors. We will speak about handheld diagnostics for pests, diseases and nutrient deficiencies. And also we will include topic of decision support systems for agronomic recommendations. The next direction, and it's huge direction, is farm automation and robotics. It covers everything from crop growth to harvest. It speaks about yield prediction and harvest forecasting, as well as using autonomous tractors and field vehicles, robotic harvesting and weeding. And also we will speak about automated greenhouse and vertical farming systems. The third direction is post-harvest work, quality control and supply chains. It covers everything from farm gate to consumer, and we speak about quality grading using computer vision, seed, grain, fruit and vegetable inspections, shelf life predictions, supply chain and logistics optimization, as well as traceability and food safety monitoring. And the final direction is livestock and agricultural intelligence, which includes topics of supporting better agricultural decisions on different levels, specifically livestock management and welfare monitoring, behavior analysis and precision feeding, as well as farm management analytics, climate and risk prediction, research acceleration and digital phenotyping. In all of these topics, we still need to understand how to distinguish hype from real deployment. For these purposes, ask 5 questions. What problem does AI solve in this specific case? What data does it need? Who uses the results? What decision changes because of the result? And how is accuracy checked in real conditions? Because agriculture is not a clean laboratory. Leaves overlap, light changes, soil varies, animals move, diseases look different at different stages, and images can be blurred, sensors can fail, and this is why good agricultural AI needs validation, calibration, and human judgment. In agriculture, an AI demo is not enough. A real test is whether it works in messy field environment.